in-person votes are generally counted first. Once that happens, mail ballots may already be being processed in the background. So there is a chance for states and jurisdictions that allow early processing or early canvassing of those mail ballots. Some of those mail ballots will also be released in that first tranche of votes that we see results for. If it's a state or jurisdiction that can't start processing until election day, they'll get started on election day, but we won't see it, the majority of those come until the days following. Those all have to get processed first, and then we look at provisional ballots. And the reason for that is we want to make sure that if a voter voted in person or a voter voted their mail ballot, they're given credit for that before we turn to the provisional ballots, so that we've got that good layer of data, or that good voter record in front of us before we make a determination whether a provisional ballot is going to count or not. So that will sort of be third, and then sprinkled in there will be those military and overseas ballots that are coming in, those late arriving mail ballots that still need to be processed, the signature discrepancies in states and jurisdictions that allow for a cure process. There's usually a time frame for that. So those are all kind of wedged into that somewhere in between the sort of initial processing of mail ballots and the provisional ballots.